Hello students, welcome back. Myself Chetna Upadhyay, and we will continue our second chapter, which is components of food, part 5. In the last video we have seen the different nutritions, what can they do in our body, and the nutritions are carbohydrates, protein and fats. And in today's video we will see the other nutritions, what do they do for our body. Okay, so let's see our for today's first nutrition is vitamins. Okay, vitamins helps in protecting our body against diseases. Basically, vitamins increases our immunity power to fight against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Okay, vitamins keep our bones healthy, eyes healthy, teeth, gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. There are many kinds of vitamins and they have a specific name, and they have also a specific work. Okay, so we will see what was their name and what are their name and what are their functions in next step. Okay, and different kinds of vitamins are, there are 5 types of vitamins, and they are: first vitamin A, second vitamin B complex, vitamin C and vitamin D and vitamin E and K, basically 6. And vitamin B complex, there is a difference because they we will see further what is a B complex. Just now just see and just try to learn the 5 or 6 type of vitamins, and they are vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin E and K, and each vitamins have a different work. Okay, so here is first vitamin A. Vitamin A, vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Okay, and it is important for growth and development in our body. Okay, basically vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy, and it is very necessary, and it is very necessary nutrition for our eyes. If there is any problem in our eyes, that means that there is some problem with quantity of our vitamin A. The main source of vitamin A are carrot, milk, papaya, etc. As you can see in the picture which is given below, the papaya, carrot, milk, these are the vitamin A rich food. Okay, so we should eat them. Okay, next vitamin B complex. Why we are using complex word here? We will see here why are we using the complex word with the vitamin B? Because vitamin B complex is composed of 8 B vitamins. Basically the vitamin B is a group of 8 vitamins. Like there is a different kinds of vitamins, in that the vitamin B complex is different types of vitamin B. Okay, and these are B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B9 and vitamin B12. And don't try to learn in the 1 to 12 vitamin B 1 to 12, because no, there is a gapping between the numbers. Vitamin B1, B2, B3, there is no vitamin 4, and then vitamin 5, vitamin 6, vitamin 7, then there is no vitamin A, and vitamin 9, and then vitamin 10 and 11. B10 and B11 is nothing, so vitamin 12. Okay, so try by their name, try to learn by their name, not in the A to 12. Okay, and what is its work? B vitamins play an important role in maintaining good health, energy level and brain functions. That is, it is a very important, the brain function. Okay, because we know that our body is controlled by our brain through nerves, so vitamin B complex keeps our nerves healthy and active also. Okay, we know that our brain gives message to our organs to work, and then our organs perform their work, and this message is transferred by our nerves, and these nerves are active because of B12 complex. So you should have to learn these things. Okay, now we will see the next vitamin, which is vitamin C. Basically, vitamin C helps our body to fight against many diseases. The main sources of vitamin C are lemon, organs, amla, tomato, and all citrus food. Okay, so basically the vitamin C improve our immunity system. It is good for our skin, good for our health, good for our everything. So vitamin C, and from where do we get the vitamin C? We get the vitamin C from the citrus food, all the citrus food. Okay, means खट्टी चीज़ें, जैसे like your lemon, oranges and tomato, amla. These are citrus food which has a lots of vitamin C. Okay, so these are your vitamins. For now, that's it. You have to learn these vitamins and try to understand citrus, and the main sources of citrus food are vitamin C are citrus food, green peppers, strawberries, tomatoes, broccoli, and sweet and white potatoes are excellent food source of vitamin C. Okay, so just keep it just learn the name of vitamins and the source of the vitamin, the particular vitamins. Okay, so I hope you will understand this and you will learn this, and if there is any confusion, any query, you can ask me in the group, and see this video again and again. And till then, okay, thank you.